What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Behind me, the very familiar M178 powered Mercedes AMG GTS. In this situation, Edition 1 configuration. Now, come with me. I want to show you guys our newest development for the AMG GT platform. We have our full titanium exhaust system on the car. And what's very unique and very special about this configuration is it's designed to truly amplify that M178 twin turbo 4-liter V8 experience. As you guys may have seen in our E63 AMG S video, that car sounded absolutely wicked because we're using the same criteria we're going to talk about in this video. Up front, we have two different H-pipe configurations which have the proper sizing to really draw out that raw V8 sound. It runs all the way back 3 inches unrestricted. Now, I want to show you guys, a little messy here, we apologize, but if you look at the factory exhaust system, this is not even real, it's just a support brace. You have one small H which is not optimized for flow, and these pipes are 2.75, and then it restricts all the way down to like 2 1/4 here. So you're losing a ton of sound, a ton of performance and volume right in this area. So a big improvement is the Valvetronic design setup on this car. Even if you don't do downpipes, you get a nice bump in sound and a big increase in flow. Valve actuators out to the side, you'll see how those operate here shortly. But the sound configuration, not only losing a bunch of weight and picking up a bunch of volume with this setup, with some free flow components up front, which we'll show you a little bit later on, this car really sounds phenomenal. In the video, we're going to showcase all the sound characteristics. This setup is now a new generation from our gold system. You may have seen similar type of configuration, but the titanium, of course, lighter weight, and a little bit more bespoke of a material. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, launch control, hard accelerations, gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, we're gonna finish it off with some interior shots so you know exactly how good your AMG GT is gonna sound with this configuration. That's the setup. Let's get to the sound. right, people, we're inside the AMG GT. Now, in the past, we've already offered an exhaust configuration very, very similar to this, but it was our stainless steel configuration. This setup in titanium offers a more unique experience, lighter weight, better sound dynamics, and also keeping with that traditional Valvetronic theme of really accentuating the sound characteristics that we all know the M178 vehicle is capable of. Now the M158 that's in the E63 is a little bit different configuration to this. This car, AMG GT, is dry sumped, whereas the E63 and like the C63 is obviously wet sumped because you don't need to have the engine so low in a sedan. But we wanted to chase the same type of sound configuration as we were able to achieve with the E63S. We'll play a clip of that car right now. Sounds absolutely amped. It's so good, and I had so much fun filming that car. Same type of design ethos with this system. Obviously, this car doesn't have any free flow configurations yet, no downpipes, but those will be going on a little bit later on so we can showcase how good the exhaust sounds with and without downpipes. Now we're at the light. Click the exhaust button, open. Pops and cracks are much more aggressive with this setup as well. It's just a far more engaging sound experience than the AMG Performance exhaust. The AMG Performance exhaust is loud, but you don't get all that really deep sound characteristics from the factory exhaust just because the piping is so small. But this full 3-inch configuration is really a much improved sound characteristic. This is, again, stock downpipes, a big improvement. Those like snaps, ready? And those are very fun. Oh, steering wheel. I don't know why Alcantara steering wheels are in production road cars. An Alcantara steering wheel you're supposed to use with gloves on a racetrack so your hands don't sweat. Let's go!